Hey you guys, have you ever noticed how some people seem to feel lighter and more energized even without making big changes to their routine? A lot of them have been talking about this really simple trick called the gelatin trick, and it's been getting a lot of attention for helping bring more balance and well-being in a completely safe, natural way. So the coolest part is that this small habit only takes a few seconds a day. You can do it right at home using a very simple, affordable ingredients that you probably already have heard of or have in your kitchen. So people who have tried the gelatin trick say that they start to feel this better sense of lightness, they have more digestive comfort, and extra energy that lasts longer throughout the day. According to them, the body seems to work in just a more balanced and efficient way, making it easier to keep a healthier, more stable routine. It's not this miracle diet, it's not a miracle formula, and it doesn't require any extreme changes. It's just a natural, gentle way to take care of yourself with ease and consistency. So if you guys would like to learn how to get your hands on it, there is a very short video with instructions in the link down below. Watch it and you're gonna see for yourself how it works, where you can get all this stuff, and you can bring this harmony and comfort to your daily well-being. I hope this video has helped you guys out. If you have any questions, click the link down below and I will see you later. Bye.